When you want your home to extend beyond its walls and to embrace the outdoor environment, pass-through windows ease that transition. Pass-through windows provide you with the practical convenience and elegant luxury of expanding your living and entertaining spaces to the outdoors. Kolbe's folding windows provide solutions for indoor-outdoor living. Perfect for residential or commercial applications, these pass-through windows are a great fit for those who love to entertain. Folding windows are available with a variety of wood species, factory finishes and colors, glass, sill types, divided light, and other options to make any opening distinctive while complementing any interior decor. Folding windows offer expansive openings up to 52 feet wide, perfect for entertaining indoors and out. With up to 8 panels per side, they are highly customizable with a number of different configurations available. The panels can all fold to one side, split and fold to either side in a bi-parting operation, or float. An operational swinging sash is available for easy access without having to fold open the entire unit. Available in Vistalux Complimentary, Ultra Series, and Heritage Series, folding windows are available in your choice of style to suit your design. Face-mounted flush bolt locking hardware is standard on the folding window. For a cleaner look, concealed chute bolt locking hardware is available with Uno or Aria handle sets. For configurations with a swinging sash, choose any of our swing door lever handle set styles and finishes. The recessed floor track sill features a flush channel which provides a clean, seamless transition between the interior and exterior finished surfaces. This sill is available as a non-weeping or weeping sill that is designed to shed away moisture. Add a pleated retractable screen to keep insects out and enjoy the views of any locale. To learn more about this and other Kolbe products, please visit our website at kolbewindows.com.